Okay, well, good morning students. In this video we will discuss how to find the solution of a linear equation by using cross multiplication method. Actually, we had already discussed how to find the solution by using substitution method and by using elimination method. After that, we will learn how to find the solution by using cross multiplication method. Okay. Here you have been given a theorem. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 be a system of simultaneous linear equation. यहाँ आपके पास दो equations given है. In the case of variable, in the two variables x and y. Here x and y are variable, rest all a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are the constant, are the real numbers, such that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. आपको लग रहा हो कि what is this? Actually इसके बारे में अभी हम लोग पढ़े नहीं. इसके बारे में हम लोग इस टॉपिक के बाद यही पढ़ना है. Whenever we will learn system of linear equation in two variable by algebraic method से जब हम देखेंगे, then we will see it's having three cases. Case 1, the system of linear equation in two variable having unique solution, infinite number of solution. Case 2 and case 3, no solutions. So this one will show unique solutions. Means this इसीलिए ये given है these two, this is the system of equations such that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b, and that is why if you will, अगर आप इसको cross multiplication करो and after getting arrangement you will get this one. On getting cross multiplication it becomes a1 b2 and a2 b1, और जब आप ट्रांसपोज करोगे, साइड चेंज करोगे, on that moment you will get this one. Okay. Directly आप समझो, you have been given two equations and you will have to prove x equal to this one and y equal to this one. Okay. Means whenever you will be given a simultaneous linear equation and you have to find the solution by using cross multiplication method, on that moment by using this formula directly you can find the solution. Okay. अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद है, x equal to this and y equal to this, आप समझ रहे हो a1 b2 c1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 क्या है? a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is the constant term for the first equation, and similarly this one. Okay. तो how to find? तो अभी तक आपको दो मेथड पढ़ाया मैंने. Number one is what? Number one is substitution method and another one is what? Another one is elimination method. तो either by using substitution method or by using elimination method, these can be proved. मतलब आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से रन कर ये दो प्रूव कर सकते हो और एलिमिनेशन से रन कर ये दो प्रूव कर सकते हो. तो बेहतर है एलिमिनेशन. तो चलो, what you have, as we have what, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. Okay. If you will go through the elimination method, on that moment what you have to do, hope so you know. आपको क्या करना है elimination method में, आपको पता है. Elimination method में हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे? At first we will decide which one should be eliminated. Okay. सपोज चलो हम लोग यहाँ डिसाइड किए एट फर्स्ट y should be eliminated. Okay, y should be eliminated. Decide कर लिए. Then what we will do? We will make the coefficient of y in both the equations equal. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों इक्वेशन में y के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट? आफ्टर दैट we will watch, we will see selected variables having same sign or different sign. If having same sign, on that moment subtraction, and if having different sign, on that moment addition will occur there. Okay, same work. Okay, I have decided y should be eliminated, means we will have to multiply b2 to the equation 1 and b1 to the equation 2 and then subtract. Hence what we will do now, equation 1 into b2 minus equation 2 into b1. Okay, on multiplying what you will get, equation 1 into b2, here you will get a1 b2x plus b1 b2y plus b2 c1 equal to 0. Any doubt? And in this equation, whenever you will multiply b1, you will get what? a2 b1x plus b1 b2y and plus what? b1 c2 becomes 0. Actually, you are subtracting over here. The sign will be changed to the equation second, minus minus minus. Actually, b1 b2 by plus and b1 b2 by minus, these two will be off. Any doubt? What we will get here? Here we will get a1 b2x minus a2 b1x plus b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to 0. Any doubt? This also can be written as a1 b2x a2 b1x equal to what? Just transpose it. b1 c2 and minus b2 c1. Okay. These two terms having x common. Now we will take x common. On taking x common, it becomes x into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and here b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Finally, x becomes b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Any doubt? Means by using elimination method, if we will solve these two equations and we will get x equal to this one. Any doubt? And similarly, just eliminate x and you will get the value of y. Okay, now we will eliminate x. What we have? अब चलो x को eliminate करने हैं. On that moment, we will have to multiply a2 to the equation 1 and a1, मतलब इसके कोफिशिएंट को इस इक्वेशन में और इसके कोफिशिएंट को इस इक्वेशन में. Means here what we will do? We will do now equation 1 multiply a2 and minus what? Equation 2 multiply a1. On multiplying a2 to the equation 1, what we will get? Here we will get a1 a2x plus a2b1y plus a2c1 equal to 0. And similarly, by multiplying a1 in the second equation, here we will get a1 a2x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2 becomes 0. Actually, you are subtracting here. Sign will be changed. Off. Here what we will get? a2b1y minus a1b2y equal to what? Is equal to a2c1, sorry, not equal to, plus a2c1 minus a1c2 equal to 0. Both of these terms having y, on taking y common, it becomes a2b1 minus a1b2. And change the side. On changing the side, it will be a1c2 minus a2c1. Any doubt? Actually, means y becomes what? a1c2 minus a2c1 whole upon a2b1 minus a1b2. Any doubt? Actually, we want the denominator a1b2, means this minus this. We will take what? Minus common. On taking minus common, means a1c2 minus a2c1 whole upon minus taking common a1b2 minus a2b1. And this can also be written as what? This can also be written as a2c1 a1c2 whole upon a1b2 minus a2b1. So how to prove x equal to this and y equal to this of these two equations by using elimination method? All of you have understood. अब suppose आपको question दे दिया and question wants the solution. Question wants the values of x and y by using cross multiplication method. On that moment, you can find the solution directly by using the formula. उस समय इस फॉर्मूला से आप डायरेक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हो. कब? जब आपका क्वेश्चन कह रहा हो सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करो बाय यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. लेकिन यहाँ एक प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आप देख रहे हो कि x का जो वैल्यू है बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और जनरली इस स्टूडेंट को याद नहीं रह पाता है. जब ये याद नहीं है, फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है, ऑन दैट मोमेंट हाउ वी कैन डू? तो सर इतना लंबा चौड़ा प्रोसेस से पहले फॉर्मूला हम फाइंड करें. एक तरीका. दूसरा तो ये हो गया, या तो आप इस फॉर्मूला को याद करो, और जब ये याद नहीं है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, अगर ये संभव नहीं है आपके लिए, ऑन दैट मोमेंट व्हाट विल यू डू? तो उसके लिए अब तो एक ही लग रहा होगा कि सर पहले एलिमिनेशन मेथड से ये फॉर्मूला फाइंड कर ले रफ में जाके, और जब ये फॉर्मूला मिल गया तो इस फॉर्मूला पे वैल्यू पुट कर दो. तो रफ में जाके जब आप ये काम करोगे और वहां पे टाइम का लैगनेस भी होगा, इट विल टेक टू टाइम, ज़्यादा समय लेगा ये. तो ये दिक्कत है. एक्चुअली ये फॉर्मूला फाइंड करने का एक और भी तरीका है. ये तो था एलिमिनेशन मेथड से. एक और भी तरीका है कि इसको हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, राइट डाउन. जो सॉल्यूशन यहाँ मिला आपको, whatever the solution you have got, that also can be written as what? This also can be written as the solution can also be written as what? X upon B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to by upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Hope so. This also can be written as what? X upon B1 C2 minus B2 C1, and on taking minus common, this can be written as what? C2 A1 minus C1 A2 becomes 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. मतलब ये जो सॉल्यूशन है उसको हम इस केस में लिख सकते हैं। अब ये जो केस है, ये केस मिलेगा कहाँ से? तो उसके लिए जो आपका गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन है, व्हाट वी हैव, तो वी हैव a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0। हाँ, ये जो दो सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस, ये जो सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस गिवन है आपके पास, here you will get 3 columns। What? Number 1 is a1 by a2, another one is b1 by b2, another one is c1 by c2। Huh? This is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of what? This is the coefficient of by, and this is the coefficient not a1 by a2, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, ये मिल रहा है। यहाँ जब आपको ध्यान क्या देना है, whenever you want the denominator of x, जब आपको x का डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए तो x को क्या करो? छोड़ दो। On that time you will have to leave the coefficient of x, x के coefficient को क्या करना होगा? छोड़ देना। बाकी जो दो बच रहा है उसको आप लिख दो। कैसे? तो उसका प्रोसेस है दिस वन माइनस दिस वन, मतलब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, सबसे पहले ये डालेंगे और उसमें इसको माइनस करेंगे। मतलब अगर मुझे इफ वी वांट द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ x, this can be obtained on leaving the coefficient of x, the column of x. This will be written as these two multiply minus these two multiply, means आपका मतलब जो आपका क्वेश्चन है, here you can write x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to by upon minus by upon, अब बाई के लिए लिखना है तो बाई के कोफिशिएंट को आप छोड़ो, बाई के कोफिशिएंट को छोड़ो, मीन्स ये दो मैं रन कर रहा हूं। अगेन व्हाट? a1 c2 minus a2 c1 and 1 upon कांस्टेंट, तो कांस्टेंट को छोड़ो, इस दो से चलो, a1 b2 minus what? a2 b1। अब आपको दिख रहा होगा ये वाला टर्म, हाँ, means this one can be written by the help of this one. आप इसकी मदद से ये फाइंड कर सकते हो. जब ये मिल गया तो one time x this equal to this and one time this equal to this. Means here what we can write, x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Is it clear? On getting cross multiplication, value of x will be what? X will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1. On getting cross multiplication, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And similarly, on getting cross multiplication, we will get the value of minus pi. Minus pi becomes a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Means pi can be written as minus a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Means pi can be written as a2 c1 minus a1 c2. एक्चुअली माइनस है तो ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करोगे तो साइन क्या होगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. ये माइनस है तो प्लस हो गया और प्लस का माइनस हो गया. This is the value of y and this is the value of x. Means x and y का जो वैल्यू है वो सपोज आपको याद नहीं है. On that moment, if you have to find the solution by using cross multiplication method, on that moment आपका ये इक्वेशन है, इस तरीके से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. आई एम जस्ट making you understand by taking an example also, right? Okay, I am just taking some examples. You have been given 2x plus 3y equal to 70. 2x plus 3y equal to 70. And another one, 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. These two equations you have been given and you have to find the solution by using cross multiplication. Whenever you have to find the solution by using cross multiplication, on that moment it's mandatory for everyone. It's mandatory. The equation must be in general form. Equation जो है वो किस फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए? जनरल फॉर्म में. जनरल फॉर्म का मतलब the RHS of equation will contain only 0. Equation का जो RHS है वो क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. Means whatever we have 2x plus 3y equal to 17. This can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 17 becomes 0. Leave it as equation 1. And go from another one. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. This will be written as 3x minus 2y minus 6 becomes 0. Leave it as equation 2. And go from 1 and 2. Go from equation 1 and 2. You will get 3 columns. What are the columns? 3, 3. Another one. Minus 2, and another one, sorry, 2, 3, 3 minus 2 and minus 17 minus 6. And by using this, what we can write? By using this, we can write x upon is equal to minus y upon is equal to 1 upon. What will be the denominator of x? I was just saying, whenever we will have to write the denominator of x, coefficient term related to coefficient of x will be left. उसको क्या करो, छोड़ दो आप, इसको छोड़ दो, मतलब ये दो से रद्द करो. x के लिए लिखना है तो x के कोएफिशिएंट वाले टर्म को छोड़ो, y के लिए लिखना है तो y के कोएफिशिएंट टर्म को छोड़ो, कांस्टेंट लिखना है कांस्टेंट वाले टर्म को छोड़ो. तो x के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, इसको आप छोड़ दो, this minus this, मतलब पहले ये चल रहा है. Means at first we will write 3 into minus 6 minus what? Minus 17 into minus 2. Similarly minus y upon, इसको छोड़ दो, 2 into minus 6 minus 17 into 3. And similarly 1 upon means इसको छोड़ देना है, 2 into minus 2 and minus 3 into 3. Means what you will get here, x upon minus 18 and here minus 34. Here what you will get, minus y upon minus 12 plus 51. And here 1 upon minus 4 minus 9. This also can be written as x upon what? Minus minus plus minus 52. This one will be written as minus y upon 11 to 9 and 4 1 3 and 1 upon minus 13. This also can be written as what? X upon minus 52 is equal to 1 upon minus 13 and minus y upon 39 is equal to 1 upon minus 30. Getting cross multiplication, value of x will be minus 52 upon minus 13. And minus y equal to what? 39 upon minus 30. X equal to 4 and y equal to 3. This is the solution. Hope so you all have understood how to find the solution of a given linear equation into variable by using cross multiplication method. Okay. I am just taking one more example. The question is x into a minus b plus, the question is x into a minus b plus ab upon a minus b is equal to y into a plus b minus ab upon a plus b. And another one information, x plus y equal to 2a square. And the question, this is question number 18. The question belongs to book R.D. Sarma, and this is of question number 18. So this is the first information and this is the second information. What I was just saying, whenever you have to find